Hello, this is Vyoman. Uh, Today we'll be doing this particular experiment that I have learned about recently from Openhouse, and I find it rather interesting. This experiment will involve a bowl. It has a coin in it, and we put it in such a way that we can barely see it from the angle of the camera. Now, what we do is have some water here. Now we take the water. You cannot see this. You can barely see the coin from this angle. And the camera is not changing. I'll just pour a bit of the water rather carefully. Yes, and all of a sudden we can see the coin much better than we could at that point. This is because of the refraction of light. It is a very beautiful phenomena in physics, and it basically shows how light can refract in a separate medium. The coin is shown as if it is there, but in reality, as the camera can see, as you can see in the video, rather the camera recorded the position of the coin, which was from our perception just on the edge. But the more water you add, the closer you'll feel it comes towards you. At this point, we can just see the entire coin, but in reality, when we remove the water from the from the bowl rather, you will see that the coin was indeed on the edge. I hope this is a good video. I've tried my best, and I couldn't record my face because it somehow didn't work, but that's my experiment. I hope this was good. Thank you.